Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix EAFC 24 unable to connect to EA servers on all consoles. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to restart Ultimate Team. So sometimes there could be too many players using or trying to use Ultimate Team at the same time. So while EA servers have a massive capacity to handle internet traffic, they can still get crowded out. So this is quite common at 6 p.m. UK time when refresh content is released. So if you're witnessing such an incident in your game, just quit Ultimate Team altogether if you are not removed by default. Also, make sure to wait a few minutes before trying to log back in, and if you don't wait, there's a high chance that you'll get the same error once again. And then next, what you can do is to ensure internet connectivity. So as basic as it sounds, many players are unable to connect to AA servers because of a sudden data loss from their end. So ensure that your internet is working properly, which also requires an even amount of bandwidth availability at all times. So an unstable internet connection with high speeds will only matter a little, as the servers need a persistent connection. And then if this method didn't fix the issue, what you can do next is to check your NAT type. So if your internet connection falls under the strict NAT or NAT category, it can cause problems when trying to find multiplayer matches. This problem can also take place on consoles, so it is more universal. So if you find out that internet NAT type is closed or strict, you'll have to change it to open to connect smoothly with the servers. So do note that this method has its risks, so our readers are advised to try it at their own risks. And then lastly, what you can do is to check social media. So with FC24 out now, EA Sports will be conducting routine maintenance on their servers. So this is done to ensure that the servers are working as intended, but they won't be accessible under maintenance. So typically, the developer posts an official message on X or Twitter to initiate an upcoming server downtime. And so that's it for this video. So those are some simple method or fixes that you can do if you have the problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.